Can you all say Namaste Mumbai? Namaste Mumbai. Good. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. The sun rises over the Arabian Sea. Mumbai, a busy city in India, is buzzing like a bee. Wake up, you sleepyhead. We've come from far away. Get ready, it's time to go. We have plenty to see today. Can you all see the little Tivra, the tiger? Where do you see the tiger? Do you all see the tiger? You see him? All right. Make sure you keep looking out for him because he's on every page. We put on our shoes, grab our cameras, and leave the Taj Mahal Hotel, a place with domes and arches that Mumbaikars know very well. Hold hands, cross the street. Make sure to look both ways. We reach the square that welcomed King George in his glorious days. The mighty gateway of India stands in the center of the plaza, a great place to take a picture with your friends, Mummy or Papa. The seagulls circle in the air and the water splashes on the rocks. All the colorful boats sail to and from the docks. Where is Tivra? Do you all see Tivra? Where's our tiger friend? Yep, good. Hurry, hurry, the captain is calling. We're going to the Elephanta Caves. The ride is bumpy, our tummies feel funny as we bounce up and down the waves. There are large trees and big bushes everywhere I see. My sister spots a toy train, which is perfect for little me. It's dark and scary inside the tunnel, but I am being brave. The giant statues are my friends, and I give them all a wave. Can you all wave at the statues? Wave, wave, wave. Lovely. Clippity clop, clippity clop. Can we hear the horse carriage coming? We grab a seat next to the driver and giggle at the Bollywood tune he is humming.
I love Bollywood.
The carriage driver welcomes us with a red flower. Our horses quickly take us to the Rajabai Clock Tower. The tower looks like a soldier standing tall and straight. Can you all sit up nice and tall? Like a soldier. There we go. Nice. No slouchers here. The bell inside chimes loudly since 1878. We reach Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, a station that is old and grand. Everyone is waiting and there is no place to stand. We run to catch our train, pushing with all our might. There are so many people packed inside, better hold on tight. Look at that train, doesn't it look so full? Can you find Tivra? Is our tiger friend still there? Is he there?
Yeah, I see it.
You see him? Okay, this is my favorite. Our tummy starts to grumble as we are hungry for some snacks. Look, here's Chopati Beach and so many yummy food snacks. We bite into a Mumbai sandwich full of tomatoes and cheese. For dessert, we grab an ice cola. Ouch! We just got a brain freeze. All Mumbaikars are singing. It's Ganpati's birthday today. They celebrate with dancing and pray for luck every day. Can you see Ganpati Bappa? Can you all say Ganpati Bappa Moria? Right? The cycling dabba walas deliver lunch while wearing white topies. People here are so lucky they get to eat hot rotis. We climb the stairs to the hanging gardens to see beautiful views. Boys and girls are playing cricket. But that's not what we want to do. We run across the Kamla Nehru Park, leaving the match behind, and we climb the biggest shoe house that one could ever find. We whiz across the whirly ceiling to get to Bandra fast. It feels like we are flying since there is no traffic at last. We're tired of sitting in the car and we want to run around. Luckily, we reach the national park to see the monkeys on the ground. All of a sudden, the sky turns gray and large raindrops hit our head. Everyone starts to run inside, but we jump into puddles instead. The monsoons have come to Mumbai. You never know when you'll get wet. Make sure to carry an umbrella, but if your clothes get dirty, don't fret. That's right. Slowly all the lights come on and the city begins to shine. Marine Drive looks like a queen's necklace, all beautiful and fine. As we drive back to our hotel and see the lights twinkling like stars, everyone is tired but happy and returning home in their cars. Okay,